Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I just wanted to show you a food hack that I like to do. All you need is some peanut butter, natural kind where the oil separates. Don't panic, this is organic. Oh, and look, oil separation is normal. And you need some MCT oil and a scale. So here's what we're gonna do. We are going to zero the scale with the peanut butter on it. And then we're gonna take the oil. We're just gonna pour it out. Yum. That's probably good enough. Then we're gonna put the oil back on the scale and look, oh, it's 38 grams less than it was. So now we're gonna take the MCT oil and we're gonna add the 38 grams back. Give or take a gram. Oh, look, that was perfect. So now we're gonna stir the MCT oil back into the peanut butter. Now we're just mixing the MCT oil back into the peanut butter, adding the fat back in, but now it's medium chain triglycerides, which may help us do cool things like burn fat or have more energy or just really enjoy our peanut butter and maybe a little bit more guilt-free. Who knows? Either way, it's yummy, especially if you add in some extra sea salt. Anyway, that is my nutritional hack. And after we stir this together, I'm just gonna put it in the refrigerator. Give it a shot, let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.